Aircraft floor beams. The backbone of aircraft cabin structure. Aircraft floor beams are critical structural components that support the cabin floor and help distribute loads throughout the aircraft fuselage. They form the foundation of the passenger cabin, cargo compartments, and cockpit floor, ensuring structural integrity during all phases of flight. Modern commercial aircraft such as the Airbus A320, Boeing 737, and Boeing 777 use a network of floor beams to support passengers, seats, cargo, and various aircraft systems. What are aircraft floor beams? Floor beams are transverse structural members installed across the width of the fuselage. They connect to fuselage frames and support the floor panels on which passengers, crew, seats, and cargo rest. Main functions support cabin floor loads, transfer passenger and cargo loads to the fuselage structure, maintain fuselage shape, and rigidity, support seat tracks, and cabin furnishings, provide mounting points for aircraft systems, enhance overall structural strength. Location of floor beams. Floor beams are typically located beneath the passenger cabin floor, above the cargo compartment, across the fuselage from left side to right side, attached to fuselage frames and longerons. This arrangement creates a strong platform capable of supporting thousands of kilograms of load during flight operations. Types of aircraft floor beams. Passenger floor beams. These beams support passenger seats, cabin monuments, galleys, lavatories, cabin floor panels. Cargo floor beams designed for heavier loads and used in cargo compartments, freighter aircraft baggage compartments. Reinforced floor beams installed in high-load areas such as door locations, galley areas, crew rest compartments, cargo loading zones. Materials used. Aircraft floor beams are manufactured from lightweight, high-strength materials. Aluminium alloys, titanium alloys, composite materials, advanced aerospace-grade metals. These materials provide excellent strength while minimizing aircraft weight. Inspection of aircraft floor beams. Aircraft maintenance technicians regularly inspect floor beams for cracks, corrosion, deformation, loose fasteners, damage from cargo impacts, fatigue-related defects. Inspection methods may include visual inspection, eddy current testing, ultrasonic inspection, detailed structural inspections. Common damage areas. Floor beams can be damaged by water leaks, corrosion, excessive cargo loads, hard landings, fatigue from repeated flight cycles, improper maintenance activities. Early detection helps prevent structural problems and maintains aircraft safety. Importance in aircraft safety. Floor beams play a vital role in passenger safety, structural integrity, load distribution, emergency landing performance, long-term aircraft durability. A damaged floor beam can reduce structural strength and must be repaired according to manufacturer maintenance procedures. Aircraft floor beams are among the most important structural components of an aircraft. They support the cabin floor, distribute loads throughout the fuselage, and contribute significantly to the overall strength and safety of the aircraft. Regular inspection and maintenance ensure these structural members continue to perform reliably throughout the aircraft's service life. Aircraft training tip. During pre-maintenance inspections, always check floor beam areas for signs of corrosion, cracks, deformation, and water intrusion, especially near doors, galleys, lavatories, and cargo compartments. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your aviation knowledge and pilot training skills, download the Pilot Training app from the Google Play Store. The app link is available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation content.